name is John Schmitz. I'm the sales manager. On a daily basis, I work with our customers, our prospects, looking at existing and new opportunities to explore growth and other new revenue opportunities. So one thing that separates us from our competition is our customer service. It's the highest level in the industry. Customers have rated us that way in customer satisfaction. It's one of the things we constantly receive high marks on is our level of customer service. We serve a variety of industries, and that's the beauty of being a contract manufacturer is you aren't focused just on one industry. So everything from the agricultural markets to the oil industrial arenas to even some consumer markets as well.
I think Riverside really is almost an extension of our customers' manufacturing. We're integrated with them as well. We can start from the beginning with them, and we are very flexible and able to bring lots of different services. We have kitting and warehousing, we have electronic circuit board assembly, we have test, we have engineering to help with the design for manufacturability. We also can do low volume programs and end-of-life programs for customers.
As a program manager and as a main customer contact, the piece that I think we offer that a lot of other places don't is that when we have someone assigned to one of our customers, we become an advocate for that customer. So I feel as though I am the voice for our customer within the walls of our building. And being such, I look at it from the customer perspective to say, how do I best serve the needs of whoever our customer is selling to?
When leads come in, they're so wide-ranging because of all the services that we provide. There's so many different industries that we're supporting now, and so looking at sales opportunities as they come in, we are looking to see, first, what is it this customer is looking at? What are they truly asking us to do? And seeing if there's a fit. So a lot of times that's a phone call, that's maybe an email that starts things off, and really finding out if we have the tools to meet what this customer is looking for.
Yeah, there's a couple projects that stand out to me. One was we had a customer who was looking to outsource their circuit board manufacturing. They had over 50 part numbers, 50 different assemblies with a wide variety of component part numbers, and they needed to reshore that in a very quick and efficient time frame. And throughout a couple-month period, we were able to take on that business, integrate it into our product lines, and take over everything from supply chain management to product testing. And we accomplished it in the time frame that they needed.
I have a very high opinion of our team here. I think there are a lot of projects that we kick butt at because the people that we have in this organization are really, really good at their jobs. We have had several projects that have been challenging, and when we encounter those, having all of the really, really intelligent and really experienced people we do have here, we're able to leverage all of their expertise and all of their experience to provide to our customers solutions that they may not even know they need.
I have worked at Riverside Integrated Solutions for over 20 years, so I've seen a lot of different customers come in here. And when I first started here, I was amazed at the technology of these products that we were putting together. We do a lot of work with the agricultural industry, and to me, it's amazing what these tractors can do. The controllers that we work on for agriculture pretty much can make the tractor steer itself and tell the farmers exactly where to plant and where not to plant, where they're going to make money and where they're not going to make money.
We have the ability to leverage our PCB, PCA manufacturing to create electronic components. We have kitting and assembly where we can take components and we can make them into a line-ready deliverable or a factory-installed deliverable. Our ability to take something from concept through distribution of a wide array of products to a very large portion of the globe, I think that would be the best way I could describe it.